Yeah, friends, welcome again. So, I am in Tennis Star Bushra's channel. I would like to know from her what are the current affairs that are going on, what are the news in trending, and our beloved Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, visited the other countries. So, what are the things over there? Just let's learn from her. Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Right, yeah. Can you enable us with your news, please?
Yes. Sports news.
Yeah.
Cricket. India versus England. England slumped to 153 by
Mhm.
6, losing Stokes at stroke of lunch. National news. India. NMC brings in new regulations to expand medical education, infrastructure, and manpower.
Okay.
Tamil Nadu. Sivaganga custodial death, where police run kangaroo courts.
Sivaganga custodial death.
Where police run kangaroo courts.
Okay. Next.
Bihar. Major relief to voters. ECI makes big decision on documents ahead of Bihar elections.
Right. ECI. So, what is ECI?
Electronical voting.
So, right, we are talking about voting, right? So, what is the authority that takes care of conducting the votes, right? Making the polls of it and giving the results and announcing the elected or winning candidate, right? One commission should be there, no? So, India also has same commission which takes care of elections. So, election commission which takes care of elections in India. It is ECI. What is ECI?
Election Commission of India.
That's it. Election Commission of India. Now, with what you say, abbreviation or acronym. Yeah, tell. Major relief.
Major relief to voters. Electronic Commission of India.
Electronica.
Election.
Right. Read once again.
Major relief to voters. Election Commission of India makes big decision on documents ahead of Bihar elections.
So, what are the documents it's asking? Yeah, click on it. Yeah. If.
If voters are unable to provide the required documents,
Okay.
the electoral registration officer can take a decision on the basis of local investigation or other documentary evidence.
Okay.
Amid the uproar over the ongoing special intensive revision of electoral rolls, Bihar Chief Electoral Office made a big announcement in the form of advertisement asserting that voters can get verified in the electoral rolls even without submitting the mandatory documents.
Oh, it's possible. Okay, can you read that electoral last word? AL. Yeah. AL. L.
Electoral.
AL.
L.
Then
Oral.
RAL.
RAL. ORAL.
RAL क्या होता है? What?
RAL.
Next.
Then oral. Then toral.
TORAL. What I am expecting from you is first AL.
AL.
L.
RAL. RAL. ORAL. Oral. TORAL. Toral. CTORAL.
Uctoral.
Toral. ECTORAL. Pictorial.
Okay.
LECTORAL. Lectoral. ELECTORAL. Lectoral.
So whenever your vocabulary has to be strong, you have to cut the words in such a manner so that you can pronounce it easily, effectively. So you have to cut like this. Electoral. 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 Right. Good. Can you read again once again?
Yes.
Amid
Amid the uproar over the ongoing special intensive revision of electoral rolls, Bihar Chief Electoral Office made a
I said most of our viewers are from British, so they understand British better.
electoral
Yeah.
Office made a big announcement in the form of advertisement asserting that voters can get verified in the electoral rolls even without submitting the mandatory documents.
That's really great relief that maybe the Bihar government is looking for most poll rate should be there in these elections, right? So the percentage of polling should be higher.
What type of voting are they doing?
Assembly? Yeah, go through that and you have to tell me the answer. Scroll down.
Okay. If you read voters, provide the required documents. It will be easier for the electoral registration officer
Okay.
to process the application.
Okay.
If you are unable to provide the required documents, the ERO can take a decision on the basis of local investigation or other documentary evidence. The Election Commission said in the advertisement published on front pages of all the local newspapers of Bihar on Sunday, July 6, 2025.
So what does it mean?
It means that it provided documents which is easy for ERO, which means Electoral Registration Officer, so that they can process an application.
Okay.
But if we are unable to provide the required documents, the ERO can take a decision on the basis of local investigation or other documentary evidence. The Election Commission said in the advertisement published on the front pages of all legal Bihar. So this advertisement is published on front pages of all the local newspapers of Bihar on Sunday, 6 July 2025. If you read, yes, I found it. Bihar Chief Electoral Office made a big announcement in the form of advertisement asserting that voters can get verified in the electoral rolls even without submitting the mandatory documents. In the advertisement, an appeal has been made to the voters that as soon as they receive the enumeration form from the BLO, fill it immediately and provide it to the BLO along with the necessary documents and photo. Then in the next line, it added, if the necessary documents and photo are not available, then just fill the form and provide it to the BLO.
Right. You asked it for what are the elections going on, right? Actually, that is your job. You have to enable us to know that. Okay, anyhow, you asked it for? Yeah. So, what is it? 2025 India elections expected by November 2025. Elections in Bihar. Okay. You see my expectation. Yeah, you are reading it right now?
Yes.
Yeah, you are reading it right now. Okay. Okay. Right. Right. This you are reading, right?
Yes. Major relief to voters.
Okay, can you read it now? Elections.
Elections in the state of Bihar, India are conducted in accordance with the Constitution of India. The Assembly of Bihar creates laws regarding the conduct of local body elections and unilaterally.
Rally. So unilaterally.
Unilaterally.
Read rally. Laterally. No. Yeah, let me increase the size.
Oh, thank you.
Right.
Where is it? Oh, yeah.
Rally. Laterally. Unilaterally. Okay.
Okay. The Assembly of Bihar creates laws regarding the conduct of local body elections and unilaterally, while any changes by the state legislature.
TUR is chur, furniture, mature, nature, future, right? Chur, legislature, yeah.
Legislature.
No, char,
Char.
lature,
Lature.
legislate.
Legislature.
Yes. Furniture, mature, nature, future. Whenever you have TURE, what you have to say? Char. Right. Legislature.
The Assembly of Bihar creates laws regarding the conduct of local body elections unilaterally, while any changes by the state legislature to the conduct of state level elections need to be approved by the Parliament of India.
Right. Meant. MENT is meant. Parliament of India. Right. Okay.
So, what are they keeping the elections for?
Right. Now, okay, you have to make research, and being a news presenter, you have to enable us, right? Okay, I'm giving you some time. You made research. So, what are the elections giving? State means assembly elections, right? So, Bihar State Assembly. Okay, right. So, let's conclude for the thing. Please come up with elections in Bihar again.
Thank you. We'll meet in the next video.